use science to find creative, practical solutions. This has been the core philosophy practiced at Gayath Industries, an ISO 9001-2015 certified company based in Chennai. Founded by Mr. Muthu Perumal in 2006, Gayath, over the years, has grown in leaps and bounds to become a leading manufacturer of precision machined heavy engineering components catering to customers' specifications and requirements in diverse industrial sectors. Welcome to Gayath Industries. Mr. Muthu Perumal, the founder and managing director, has had vast experience in the field of engineering. He is a mechanical engineer who worked for 6 years as process engineer, initially in Hosur at an American Fortune 100 corporation. His competence, hard work, and a passion to learn and execute made him as manufacturing head at the same plant. He then moved to Singapore, eyeing greener pastures. To equip himself, he worked at a Japanese firm at their surface mounting machine manufacturing plant for 6 years as assistant manager manufacturing, thereby equipping himself to be his own master. And that's how Gayath Industries was born. With just 5 employees and 2 machines, operating in a rented premises in 2006, Gayath has presently over 100 plus employees working in 2 of its manufacturing plants, one at Tirumalizai 20,000 square feet and the other at Sri Perumbudur 90,000 square feet. Gayath Industries is a company that never compromises on quality. That's why we have earned the trust of a select clientele spread across various industries, namely wind turbine, tunnel boring industry, valve industry, oil and gas, mining, heavy vehicle sector, and so on. In the last 15 years, Gayath has become a key player and has pioneered the art of manufacturing wind turbine generator components for renewable energy sector, cutting tools for tunnel boring machines, heavy valve components for valve industry, BOP components for oil and gas industry, components for construction and mining equipments, precision machined and fabricated components for tire molding machine, heavy machined components for locomotive industry and earth moving industry, and machined components for steam turbine and heavy vehicle sector. A new company, Gayath Heavy Engineering Private Limited, was established at Punamalli, Chennai, Tamil Nadu in 2020, and this year we have commenced a new manufacturing and fabrication plant at Sri Perumbudur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Machining and fabrication can be done for components ranging from even 1 kg up to 10 tons. We manufacture very high precision in our 2.4 meter Toshiba VTL, which has features of turning, milling, and grinding. We are one of the leading suppliers of many global clients in tunnel boring and valve sector who are based in Germany, Singapore, and the US. Gayath has the highest supplier rating given by its clients and their customers as well. It's no wonder then that in the past 15 years, the number of clientele has increased by 6 times. Gayath Industries is truly a people-centric company and takes utmost care of its employees. We accord training to our employees from time to time to keep them abreast with the latest developments in the industry. Employee-related welfare measures are also attended to from time to time by the HR department. Our mission is to be a global player manufacturing world-class engineering components with a vision to be an industry leader in heavy engineering components in various industry sectors. Gayath, a name synonymous with world-class quality engineering components.